Unlock the secret of English idioms in a Jiffy Explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the English phrase, in a jiffy. This is a common expression you might hear in everyday conversation, and understanding it can add a touch of fluency to your English speaking and comprehension skills. So, let's get started and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it like a native. When someone says they'll do something in a jiffy, they mean they will do it very quickly in a very short amount of time. It's important to note that in a jiffy is an informal expression and is typically used in casual conversations. Imagine your friend asks when you'll finish an email you're writing. If you respond with, "I'll be done in a jiffy," you're telling your friend that you will finish the email soon, and it won't take long. The phrase, in a jiffy, has been around for quite some time. It first appeared in the 18th century and is thought to have originated from the word jiffy, which was a slang term for lightning. The concept here is all about speed and swiftness, much like how quickly lightning flashes. Let's see how, in a jiffy, can be used in everyday scenarios. Making plans. I can't talk right now, but I'll call you back in a jiffy. At work, I'll have those reports to you in a jiffy, just finishing up the last one now. In personal chores, I'll just pop into the store and be out in a jiffy. By using in a jiffy in these contexts, you're telling someone that you won't take much of their time. While in a jiffy is a handy phrase, it's not appropriate for formal situations. If you are in a business meeting, it's better to use more formal language such as shortly or promptly. Also, avoid using in a jiffy if the task you're referring to actually takes a significant amount of time. It's misleading. That's a wrap on the phrase, in a jiffy. Now you know that this idiom is another way of saying something will happen soon, without having to wait long. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll be using in a jiffy in your own conversations well, in a jiffy. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a quick refresher. Happy learning, and see you soon!